जाती है, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना होगा, बस आई विल अपलोड माय क्वेश्चंस, I will upload marks for each questions, and then you will submit your solution, and it will automatically give your uh, grades. ठीक है? Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. ठीक
Sir,
है. So
how many marks is the quiz for, sir?
see, I think evolution criteria may be 10% for the attendance, and maybe mm, and some percent for code ginger questions, some percentage for LMS assignments, some percentage for your quiz, फिर after that mid semester examination, then after that end semester examination.
नहीं मतलब सर अभी जो एग्जाम होगा वो कितने नंबर का होगा, कहने का
Oh,
मतलब।
Hmm.
that
The quiz one.
doesn't, yeah, that doesn't matter. We need to normalize at the end. Suppose I have taken exam of 50 marks, and suppose your quiz carried 20%. So according to that, I will normalize. So you have around 25 to 30 questions. ठीक है? For each questions you have around 2 minute time. ठीक है? Or maybe each question you have 1 marks or 2 marks or maybe 4 marks. That doesn't matter.
और सर क्या सर रिकॉर्डिंग होगा, लाइक रिकॉर्डिंग और कैमरा ऑन ये सब कुछ भी है, मतलब जैसे स्कूल में
Mm,
होते था एग्जाम वैसे है या फिर
I
नॉर्मल?
I think कैमरा नहीं होगा. कैमरा I think is not required.
ठीक
ठीक है. I will confirm other things if is there anything else. I will confirm with the
So exam will be online. Exam will
हाँ
be.
हाँ online.
So
Yes.
like on which platform it would be?
LMS.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. ठीक है. तो now I am sharing my screen. So last class we have discussed a function, syntax of the function, parameters, the colon, ठीक है, optional document string, some small examples. After that we discussed a function call, and function definition should always be present. Last time we have also emphasized these things. If you are calling a function, that before calling that function, the function definition should be present before that. In other programming language like in C or C++, they have other concept. ठीक है? They have a function declaration, function definition, and function calling. They have three things. ठीक है? So in other language, function declaration must be before the main function, but function definition can be after the main function. But in Python programming, function calling must be before the function calling must be after the function definition. So otherwise, it will give you an error. Last time we discussed these things. This note. I have also shown you an example where we have having an error. Okay, so we have discussed this like this. Suppose you call a function greet Paul, and the function is defined after the calling this. Uh, so in this case, you will have a error. Okay, and if you just write this calling after this function definition, suppose you have written here, then you will not have any error. So this is the case here. And return statement, the return statement we have used, if we want to return something from the functions, then we also have return statements. Just like if you want to find the absolute value, we can return the absolute value. We can return a boolean value also, like true or false. Suppose I have given you an example, check whether a number is even or odd. Okay, using functions, so you can return true or false. If function is even, you can return true, otherwise you can return false. So we can also return boolean values. Okay. This is the diagram here. This we have discussed. Yeah, last time we have discussed main function in some programming like C, C++, Java. We always have a main function. Main function is the execution point, starting execution point. But in Python, there is no need of main function, and the execution started serially from top of the file up to the bottom. Okay. So Python interpret, however, runs each line serially from the top. Okay. So they require no explicit function, But sometimes we can also use this main function in some complicated programming language when we are handling file or we are writing a large code. Okay, so I have given you a small example what is main function and what is underscore underscore name. ठीक है, so Python offer other conventions to define execution point. Execution point last time we have discussed. ठीक है, execution point means the point from where the program execution is started. The compiler will start reading your program, or your interpreter will start reading your program. And in Python it is from the top of the serially from the top. ठीक है, so one of them is using the main function and underscore underscore name underscore underscore name. ठीक है, this is a tricky question sometimes in interview. So underscore underscore name underscore underscore is a variable, or you can say is a special built-in Python variable. And what it will show you, it will show you the name of the current module. ठीक है, so if I am just writing this program, it will give you the current module, that is underscore underscore main. By default your program have underscore underscore mean, but we no need to explicitly specify. ठीक है, now if you are running this program using another file, just like import, हमने import use किया था. So suppose I have written this file and I am importing this file in another file, in this file. ठीक है, so I have imported this. Now whenever I will check this underscore underscore name underscore underscore, it will not give you main, it will give you this file name only. So whenever just a small program, this is the program, in this program you have only one line of code, this is only the one line of code, and in this one line you have imported uh, up already existing program. Okay, so whenever you import this program and nothing else, when you run this program, you will have output the name of this program, the name of this program. ठीक है, so we can see that importing a module, we are importing a module will run all the code in the module, इसके अंदर कोई भी कोड नहीं था. ठीक है, so it will give you only this output. ठीक है, but we can see that आपका ये output आना चाहिए ना, you must have this output because you are importing this file. ठीक है, and whenever you are importing any file, any module, the content inside this will automatically run. ठीक है, but you are not getting this output, you are getting this output, you are getting this output because we can see that instead of displaying this, the program display this. The reason is that uh, when we are running a Python file as a module, ठीक है, as a module means you are importing that. ठीक है, so whenever you are executing a Python file as a module, the name of the module itself is assigned to the name variable. So name variable क्या हो जाएगा, what will be your name variable here? Name variable, this will be the file name, that means the module name. Yes or no, last time we have discussed these things in the detail. ठीक है, last time we have also discussed these things. We can also use if else condition to check. ठीक है, is there any doubt till now, friends?
Is
It
there a
is,
recording of that last class, sir?
yeah, it is a recap from the last class, friends. Oh, friends, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
या, तो अभी कोई डाउट है, डू यू हैव एनी डाउट?
No,
It is
sir.
just, yeah, it is just a recap. ठीक है, uh, another program we have written another program, and in this program we have defined a main function, print hello world, and we have written this: if underscore underscore name equals to underscore underscore main, if this condition is true, then this you are calling this main function, you are calling this main function. So this condition is true or false? Just answer me, this condition is true or false?
True.
Yeah, this condition is true. Now but if you are but if you are importing this file, now if you are importing this file in this program, now we are writing another program, program name P4 program we are writing, and now we are importing this file. We are importing this file. Okay. Now, whenever you are importing this file, so automatically the code inside this will run. So you will still have this output, yes, or anything else? Just answer me. Just answer me. This is your program name here, and this is your program. Okay. Whenever you run this program, you will have this output, hello world. But instead of directly executing this program, you are importing this program in another program. So in another program, I am importing my previous program. Now what will happen in this case? What output you will have? Please answer, friends, please answer. Hello, please answer. Can you hear me? क्या हो गया भाई? राधिका ठाकुर, हेलो हेलो भाई, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. हेलो, कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है? हाँ, ईशांत गुप्ता, ईशांत गुप्ता, मयंक रावत, नो रिस्पॉन्स. उपकार सिंह.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what will be the output in this case?
So just a minute, sir.
Okay,
I think it's
take your
no
time.
output, sir, because it's open in another file, right?
Yes. Okay. Okay, I will show you here. So G edit. Oh, sorry. Edit lecture para. क्या था lecture para P3 I think. P3 PY. Okay. So this was the your program in P3 file. Okay. Now you are having another file, and in this file you are importing this program only, previous program. Okay. Now what output you will have? No output. Clear? So uh, because if you are directly running this code, okay, then your name variable is equals to the main variable. The name variable underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equals to the main program main. Okay. But whenever you are executing this program as a module means you are importing that program. Okay. So this will not equals to the main. The underscore underscore name is always equals to the main module. Or main module क्या होगा in this case? The main module will be the main of this program. ठीक है. So here we have created a custom main. ठीक है, in this file. ठीक है, it is executed only when the program is run as a stand-alone script. ठीक है, and not as an imported module. ठीक है, so if you are running this program as an stand-alone script, then this underscore underscore name is equals to underscore underscore main. But if you are running this program as a module means you are importing that. ठीक है, so this main will not be executed. Okay, so this is the standard way to explicitly define main function in Python. Clear? If this is the recap. Now we are discussing our like today's lecture. Ye clear na friends? Yes or no? Pl- Please answer. Then I can move further.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I am having one more example. So if you are running the script directly, the Python is going to assign underscore underscore main to underscore underscore name. ठीक है, if you are running Python script directly, ठीक है, and this happens in the background, you can't see, ठीक है. Now I am showing one more example here. Okay, see, I am having one more example. So can you see this example here? Print and file name underscore underscore name, and you are printing this name. I want to check whether it what it is.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes.
सर जुपिटर नोटबुक या कोलैब यूज कर सकते हैं क्या?
Okay, okay, I'm trying to use just a minute. वहाँ पे import I need to check how to do JUPYTER. मुझे फिर से प्रोग्राम I need to write actually in Jupyter notebook because it is written in .py file. Okay, it is opening, just a minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, ठीक है, can you see it? Hmm. Okay, मैं I am saving from the previous program, previous labs name, ठीक है. Okay, so I am running this. Okay, just check it. Is it visible? Yes or no? Is it visible, friends?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अब आप देखिए, what is your underscore underscore name? Underscore underscore name is equals to the underscore underscore main. ठीक है, so if name is equals to underscore underscore main, you are getting this output. ठीक है, now I'm trying to do that things here. Import, I'm trying to import. Okay, I do not know whether I am able to import or not. Just check. Okay. Mhm. If oh sorry 6. ठीक है, now I'm importing this file. ठीक है, I'm importing this file and check. Okay, can you see it, friends?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो इस केस में क्या हुआ आपका, इन दिस केस फाइल 2 फाइल 1 इंपोर्ट प्रिंट फाइल. मैं फिर से रन करता हूँ, 1 मिनट. सॉरी, हाँ फिर से सॉरी. अब देखिए आप, इज इट विजिबल? फाइल टू नेम इज इक्वल टू अंडरस्कोर अंडरस्कोर नेम. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अंडरस्कोर अंडरस्कोर नेम and this file 2 is being run directly, so you are having this output here. ठीक है, so from L5, from this file you are not having output, but you are still importing this. ठीक है, तो अब क्लियर हुआ ना दोनों में डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस क्लियर है दोनों में? difference is clear. देखो, you are importing this file, you are importing this file, so you are importing this file. ठीक है, तो आपका output must be from this, yes or no? But you are not having output from this, you are having output from this only, because the underscore underscore name is equals to underscore underscore main, this one. ठीक है, क्लियर है? yes or no?
सर नहीं आया समझ में.
ठीक है, ओके, मैं फिर से कोशिश
यस
करता
सर.
हूँ. ठीक है, देखिए, सपोज यू आर हैविंग दिस फाइल. ठीक है, यू आर हैविंग दिस फाइल, एंड इन दिस फाइल यू आर हैविंग दिस आउटपुट. सॉरी, दिस प्रोग्राम, यू आर हैविंग दिस प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, सो in this now you are running this file. Whenever you will run this file, so according to you, what this what value this underscore name will have, according to you, what value this underscore name underscore will have?
Underscore main.
या ठीक है, मेन ऑफ द करेंट प्रोग्राम, मेन ऑफ द करेंट प्रोग्राम, ठीक है। सो दिस कंडीशन, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स?
True.
This statement is true, so this will execute, so this will execute, so you are having this output, ठीक है ना, you are having this output, ठीक है। ये आपने ही आउटपुट बताया मुझे, ठीक है। आई हैव डन नथिंग। नाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन मोर प्रोग्राम, दिस इज द प्रोग्राम नेम, ठीक है। एंड इन दिस प्रोग्राम आई एम importing this, I'm importing this one. So I have written here, this is my new program. This one is my new program. Okay. And in this program, I'm importing this. Okay. Now, whenever you import a module, what will happen? Whenever you import, what will happen?
It should print the name of the file only.
See, if you are importing anything, ठीक है, और उसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है तब वो नाम आएगा। इफ यू आर इम्पोर्टिंग एनीथिंग, तो जो उसके अंदर कंटेंट हैगा दैट विल एग्जीक्यूट। मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, आपको बताया भी है, हाउ व्हेन वी रन दिस, नाउ व्हेन, okay, see, whenever we import something, the content inside this will execute, the content inside this will execute, ठीक है। यहाँ पे देखिए हमने लिखा भी है in the standard way, over here we have created, it is executed when the program runs stand alone, ठीक है। however module, ओके, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमने यहाँ से मॉड्यूल स्टार्ट किए थे ना, ओके, ठीक है। वी कैन आल्सो रन पाइथन एज अ मॉड्यूल, फॉर दिस वी हैव टू इंपोर्ट दिस, ठीक है। सो वी कैन रन पाइथन फाइल एज अ मॉड्यूल, ठीक है, पाइथन फाइल, फॉर दिस वी हैव टू इंपोर्ट दिस फाइल इनटू अनदर प्रोग्राम, ठीक है। सो इन दिस केस जब हम इसको इंपोर्ट कर रहे थे, वी वर हैविंग आउटपुट ओनली द फाइल नेम। क्यों? बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे अंदर प्रिंट क्या करा रहे थे, बिकॉज वी वर प्रिंटिंग ओनली अंडरस्कोर अंडरस्कोर नेम अंडरस्कोर अंडरस्कोर, ठीक है। और अगर हम इसको डायरेक्टली एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो ये मेन देता है, अगर हम इसको किसी अदर प्रोग्राम में इंपोर्ट करते हैं, इफ वी आर इंपोर्टिंग दिस इन अनदर प्रोग्राम, देन इट विल गिव यू द फाइल नेम ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम, ठीक है। नाउ कम टू हेयर, ठीक है। नाउ इन दिस प्रोग्राम वी आर इंपोर्टिंग दिस वन, वी आर इंपोर्टिंग दिस वन, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट हियर? file to underscore name underscore, what will be the output here? Friends, what will be the output? इसका आउटपुट क्या होगा? Is it visible, this program? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
ठीक है। हाँ, तो what will be the output of this? What will be the output of this? It is main, आपका main आएगा और something else, main आएगा और something else। जल्दी बताइए। ओके, आई विल टेल यू, ठीक है। आप क्या कीजिए, बस दोनों को एक बार नोट कर लीजिए। मैं थोड़ा इसको, इज इट विजिबल? मैंने जूम आउट किया है, इज इट विजिबल? सो दैट यू कैन सी बोथ, बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर, इज इट विजिबल?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
ठीक है,
it's visible.
देखिए, whenever you are running this, so name की जगह क्या होगा? Main, ठीक है? So this main, ठीक है? This is true, so this is your output. This is true, so this is your output, ठीक है? I'm just showing here, just a minute. python Python texture वाला P5, sorry, P5, P5, देखिए, this is your output here, ठीक है? नाउ अब हमने क्या किया? आई हैव रिटन अनदर फाइल, ठीक है? एंड इस प्रोग्राम, एंड इन दिस फाइल आई हैव इंपोर्टेड दिस वन, ठीक है? सपोज आई एम कमेंटिंग ऑल दीज, ठीक है? मैं आपको कमेंट करके दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे. सपोज आई एम कमेंटिंग ऑल दीज, ठीक है? कमेंट कर दिया, ठीक है? सो आई हैव ओनली इंपोर्टेड दिस वन, ठीक है? नाउ आई एम रनिंग दिस, ठीक है? What will be the output according to you? What will be the output according to you? What will be the output? Please answer.
Sir, else वाला part.
Else वाला part of which program? इस program का?
Sir, पिछले program का. हाँ, इस
हाँ हाँ,
program.
good good good. Yes, this was I was expecting with you. अब देखिए आप, ठीक है? तो देखो, ये वाला प्रोग्राम क्या था आपका? अब देखिए आप. So you have imported this program in another file, ठीक है? Whenever you are importing a program as a module, तो उसके अंदर का जो content है, the content inside that module will execute, ठीक है? So this program should be executed, this content should be executed, ठीक है? Now whenever this content should be executed, first is the file name underscore name equals to this. So in this underscore name underscore you will have main or anything else? You have the file name, ठीक है? अगर आप इसको डायरेक्टली एग्जीक्यूट करते देन underscore name is equals to underscore main. If you are importing this file as a module and then you are running that file, तो क्या होगा? underscore name is equals to क्या होगा? This will be the file name, ठीक है? क्लियर है ये? अब क्लियर हुआ ये? Yes or no?
If you write the file name, it shows the imported part, sir. If you write the
हाँ
file
हाँ,
name.
यस. इफ वी आर इम्पोर्टिंग, देखो हमने क्या किया? वी हैव जस्ट रिटन इम्पोर्ट L1 L12 P15. L12 P15 क्या है हमारा? L12 P15 इज दिस, ठीक है? सो इफ वी आर इम्पोर्टिंग दिस फाइल, ठीक है? इफ वी आर इम्पोर्टिंग दिस फाइल एज अ मॉड्यूल, तो क्या होगा? दिस फाइल इज बीइंग इम्पोर्टेड, सो जो नेम होगा, दिस विल नॉट इक्वल टू द मेन, दिस विल नॉट इक्वल टू द मेन, ठीक है? दिस नेम विल बी इक्वल टू द मेन ऑफ द करेंट प्रोग्राम, ठीक है? और करेंट प्रोग्राम हमारा क्या है? करंट प्रोग्राम हमारा ये P6, L12 P6, ठीक है? इफ इट इज फाइन देन आई एम अनकमेंटिंग दीज स्टेटमेंट्स, ठीक है?
सर एक चीज पूछनी
हाँ
है.
हाँ, बोलिए.
तो जब हम ये L12P6 वाली फाइल में हम जब इंपोर्ट कराते हैं तो इंपोर्ट करके L12P5 वाली ही चीज ही चलती है. हमने जो P6 में लिखा है वो चीज वाली वो कोड चल ही नहीं रहा.
नहीं नहीं, वो चलेगा, मैंने उसको कमेंट कर दिया था ना फ्रेंड्स, आप देखा नहीं?
अच्छा, तो अब दो आउटपुट आएंगे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैंने
अच्छा,
इसलिए
ठीक.
पहले कमेंट किया सो दैट यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट, ठीक है? अब देखिए, मैंने कमेंट कर दिया, अब आप देखिए, अब देखो, अब is it visible? So these two line are from the previous one, ठीक है? Imported one, ठीक है? And these two from the current. Now you can differentiate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? ठीक है? So so this I was trying to explain actually. For this I have done this experiment, ठीक है? So this is the purpose. If you are running this file, as a script, this underscore underscore name is equals to the underscore underscore main. ठीक है? If you are importing this file in another program, ठीक है? So if you are importing, so the content inside this will execute. The content inside this will execute. So whenever this will execute, this underscore underscore name does not equals to underscore underscore main from the imported file. It will be equal to the for this program only. तो उसमें क्या होगा आपका underscore underscore name will be equal to the file name only. ठीक है? फाइल नेम होगा तो क्या होगा, दिस विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड एंड एल्स स्टेटमेंट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. ठीक, clear? So this I am trying to convey. Okay, so as seen above, I have written all these things, so you can revise if you forgot. Okay, now another topic that is for this anonymous function, anonymous function or lambda function. So in Python we have the facility to use anonymous function. That means the function doesn't have any name. Okay, so the function doesn't have any name, but you are still using them. So in Python, an anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name, that is defined without a name. ठीक है? While normal function are defined using the def keyword, normal function use def keyword, anonymous function are defined using the keyword lambda. ठीक है? This lambda keyword. Clear? So we will discuss the example here. Anonymous function means the function doesn't have any name. ठीक है? Alternate name is the lambda function. ठीक है? And in the normal function we need to use a def keyword, and in the lambda function or in the anonymous function we need to use lambda keyword, lambda, or lambda is in a small case. ठीक है? What is the syntax here? The syntax is here, we need to just write lambda, the arguments, and colon and the expression. This is the syntax here, lambda, argument and the expression. ठीक है? Lambda, argument and expression. ठीक है? Lambda function can have any number of arguments. So here you can have any number of arguments, but only one expression, so you have only this one expression. The expression is evaluated and returned. So this expression will evaluate and it will return. Lambda function can be used wherever function object are required. Okay? And one more thing is that we generally use lambda function whenever we need a whenever we require a little function, just like us 2-3 lines of code. Okay? So in that case, we will use lambda function. Okay? So I'm discussing one example here. I have taken this example from Geek for Geeks, a website. Okay, so example of lambda function in Python, this one. So I am writing here. So I'm Jupyter notebook or okay, I'm using Jupyter notebook. Okay. Yes. So is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So lecture 13 P1. So you can write anything here. Name, sorry, name is equals to Rohit. ठीक है, print. Okay, what is the syntax here? LAMB. You will have unexpected output. Just see here, lambda or expression name. Okay, okay, okay. Lambda x. उसके बाद क्या था? lambda के बाद आपका okay, lambda argument and expression. ठीक है, lambda argument and expressions. ठीक है, here I can writing this. Just see what will be the output. Can you please guess? Can you please
रोहित
guess? No, रोहित आउटपुट नहीं आएगा. अब देखिए अब. Okay, and Now output. Can you please guess?
Rohit.
Okay, name access not defined. Name access not defined. Okay. Okay, sorry. Name. No. Name. Okay, any mistakes here? Just let me check. The syntax lambda function at. Okay, this is not. Um, mhm. Just a minute. LMBDA lambda x colon name. Okay. It is giving error. I think error नहीं आनी चाहिए. Just maybe I'm missing something. Lambda name none type object is not callable. So we can't call this. Okay. Okay, got it. Yeah. X is equals to lambda x. Okay. मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ इसको. जस्ट आई नीड टू क्रॉस चेक वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम. Okay. Lambda expression. Okay, just need to cross check. I'm missing something here. So this one is clear. यहाँ पे क्या होगा output आपका. You will not have output this name. Anything else. ठीक है. But it is working. But यहाँ पे क्यों? Okay, I need to remove this print statement. Okay, sorry. Hmm, sorry. Yeah, print statement is not required. Okay, so LAMB DA lambda X. Okay, name and this. X is not defined. Name. Yeah. So here print statement is not required. I'm discussing this in detail. So whenever you are just writing anything, any variable, you can write here one more variable like a is equals to 10, and then here we can write print lambda lambda, and you can write here b a plus 10. So here again you will have the lambda function name itself. This okay, this is not returning anything here. Okay. Now whenever you just write anything like a is equals to 10 and lambda lambda a or a plus 8, just here. See. Now it is clear this one. This is your argument, this is your expression. Okay. So here actually I was missing, I was writing before that x and then I was writing name. Actually our argument is a. So expression maybe something you are playing with a. Okay, and then you are calling this. So this inside the bracket, that means you are calling this. So a is equals to 10 here, and you what you are doing, you are just incrementing a by 20, just like you are finding the square of a. It is just a square of a. So this is nothing but a function, lambda function, which will find the square of your number. This is just a lambda function which will find the square of a number. Now
तो
it
सर
is
मतलब
more,
ब्रैकेट में जो है वो मतलब वो प्रिंट कराने
वो
का
ए
मतलब
है, वो ब्रैकेट में वो ए है। देखो मैंने क्या किया था, फर्स्ट आई हैव रिटन हियर ए, ठीक है, it will take a as a 10, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे a क्या होगा आपका, a is a 10. Now this lambda function will take a as an argument, this lambda function will take a as an argument, and then it will return a to the power 2, ठीक है। Now I am just writing here, instead of this a I am just writing anything else. क्या लिखना है आपको, suppose I have written this, ठीक है। So this lambda function, you are calling this lambda function with 384 as an argument. So this a will become what? A will become 384, and you will have the square of 384. You can see this one. ठीक है। So this means you are
तो
calling a
सर ए की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं रह गई।
ये है ना, इसलिए तो मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये दिस इज, यू आर कॉलिंग दिस विथ 384, सो ये दिस ए विल बिकम 384, सी, df square, you are just writing here x, okay, sorry, okay, you are written x into 2, okay, I am just calling this one print, ठीक है, sq. Now, in this case, what is the value of x? In this case, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Value of x is automatically 384. Yes or no? What is the function name? Function name is sq. In this case, you doesn't have any function name. You doesn't have any function name. So this is an anonymous function, and you are calling this function with argument 384. ठीक है, अब क्लियर है ये? Now you can
ओके
differentiate both of these. ठीक है, in this function, what is the difference? You are giving a name to this function, and what is the name? sq. In this, you are not giving any name to this function. ठीक है, in this function we are using the keyword def, in this you are using the keyword lambd. Clear? और सिंस वी आर नॉट गिविंग एनी नेम, तो हम उसको कॉल कैसे करेंगे, इसलिए हम उसको जस्ट उसके बाद वी आर कॉलिंग दिस, ठीक है। So this is a lambda function, and whenever you will do a project, so you will find in a large program for a small task, they will use lambda function. Clear? So this is just an example here. You can see, use this example here. If you are giving a name here, now I can give you name also. Oh, suppose I'm giving a name here. Okay. Uh, LAMBD lambda. Okay. Lambda x colon x square 2 print sq 384. Okay. Okay. Just cross check. Now you can see this one. Is it visible? Yes or no? So see, you are writing SQ 384. Okay. So it will see what is it will assume that SQ is a function. It will assume SQ is a function, and in this function you are passing an argument 384. Okay. Now you are not using a normal function like def sq, so you are using a lambda function. So in this case, this x will become this 384. ठीक है, so here in this case you are not using this any name here. So if you are not giving any name here, then you need to call just after that. If you are giving any name, then you can use that name to call. This one is clear? Yes or no?
यस सर।
ठीक है, so this is
One
an
doubt.
हाँ हाँ, yes, ask.
SQ lambda x repeat
This
this
one.
SQ lambda last one SQ lambda.
हाँ, see, अगर आप सपोज uh, so so देखो, this is a lambda function here, lambda function here, and this lambda function is, and this is x is, and suppose you can say your argument, and this is your expression here. Okay, so you are giving this as a name sq, so that you can call this. If you are not willing to give any name, then you need to use like this, lambda x, call uh, anything whatever you want to do. ठीक है, now how will you call this? कैसे call करेंगे आप? It doesn't have any name. So if you are not giving any name, then you can just call using this just after that. So it will assume that this x value is this 384, or alternately you can just write this lambda x colon this in another variable, you can say sq, कुछ भी नाम दे दीजिए आप. You can just write here a also. ठीक है, and I can write a and bracket the arguments here. ठीक है, so this is the purpose of lambda function. ठीक है, and you will find this useful. Actually, I have given you a very small example. Okay, you can use one more thing here is that you can use n number of arguments. Suppose I am passing here x comma y, and you need to you find this x square plus y square. Okay, so now 3 k square 4 k square, what will be the output here? So this is
25.
just an this is just an a lambda function. See, it will return only one thing. It will not return two things. Okay, it will return only one thing, but it can take more than one argument. It can take more than one argument. So you are taking two arguments, 3 comma 4, and you are just finding the square summation of square of x and y. Okay, okay, is it fine? Uh,
Yes.
Okay, okay, you can do. Okay, I think I have one more lecture after that. So can we discuss in next class?
As you wish.
Yeah, okay. So we have. I need to show other things also. That like we can use a for loop in the lambda function. We can use if condition in the lambda function. So I will show you that things also in the next class.
Next class.
Yeah.
So evening lab, sir. So you can
Oh, no, no,
continue.
no, no, no. Next class. That means tomorrow. In the lab, we will discuss the lab part only. Okay?
So
Because other
I can
student.
understand what is the difference between lab and lecture. Because in lecture also you do lab.
See, in the Python, see, generally in the lecture, we need to discuss the theory part. And in the lab, I need to give you the program related to the topics that we discuss in the lecture. Okay? But if I'm just discussing the theory in the lecture, then I'm not able to clarify your doubt actually. So I try to do both things in the lecture. First, I will try to clarify, discuss the topic, what is lambda function with the example. Then I start my terminal or my Jupyter notebook and then show you the real example. ठीक है, बट अदर सब्जेक्ट्स में क्या होता है, बट लाइक इन थ्योरी देर इज ओनली थ्योरी इन द क्लास. ठीक है, नो लैब, मतलब नो प्रोग्रामिंग, और इन द लैब ओनली द प्रोग्रामिंग. बट इन पाइथन वी नीड टू मिक्स बोथ द थिंग्स. क्लियर?
It means Python is a lab subject.
हाँ, पाइथन इज अ लैब सब्जेक्ट, इट इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग सब्जेक्ट. Actually, we are learning actually online. So I have laptop, so I can show you all things here. But whenever it is an offline, so in the class, I think we do not have so much facility. So in that time, I need to carry my laptop. Then I need to connect with the projector. Okay. So in the class, there is a theory part, and in the lab, the faculty gave questions to the students related to the topics that discussed in the class, and then the students need to solve them. After that, faculty discuss the solution.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you.
yeah, okay. ठीक है, so we will meet in the lab and we will discuss the questions that I will upload in your assignments. Clear? Okay, bye. Do you want to ask anything, friends?